Okay, hi children. Welcome back to our bioscience class. Okay, we are completed in previous class. That name is the epithelial tissue is completed in our previous class. Now we are going to learn the another tissue. What is that? The second one is the connective tissue. Okay, the connective tissue help in binding the other tissues and organs together and provide a framework and support to various organs in the body. Okay, now we will discuss about the functions of connective tissue. After the types of connective tissue, what is the function of connective tissue? Binding the other tissues and organs, okay, and provide a framework and support to various organs in body. These tissue also play a major role in the transport of materials from one tissue to another. Okay, one of the function in connective tissue, what is that? That is the transport of materials from one tissue to another. They also help in the body defense, body repair and storage of fat. There are different types of connective tissues based on their functions. Okay, different functions. What are they? Okay, yes. The first one is areolar tissue. See in picture. First one is areolar tissue. Second one is adipose tissue. Third one is bone tissue. Fourth one is cartilage. Fifth one is ligament and tendon. Okay, we are going to learn one by one. The first one is the areolar tissue. What is the areolar tissue? Areolar tissue is one type of the connective tissue which joins different tissues. Which joins different tissues. It helps in packing and helps to keep the organs in place. These cells are called fibroblasts. Okay, the fibroblast cells present in the areolar tissue. See in this picture, this is the areolar tissue. See here, the below the name is fibroblast. Okay, the fibroblast cells performs a main function. What is that function? The packing and helps to keep the other organ in place. Okay, the fibroblasts also secreted fibers. Okay, in the areolar tissue. Okay, these are the major components. What are fibroblasts? The fibroblasts are major components in this type of connective tissue. These cells secretes fibrous material. Okay, fibrous material. They are fibrous and white fibrous also. Okay, these cells secretes fibrous material which hold the other tissue in position. These cells also help in repair of the tissue when they are injured. When they are injured, they are repair. Okay, these are the, what is this? Areolar tissue. The muscles in our body are attached to the skin and bone by this type of tissue. We can see this type of tissue around blood vessels and nerves also. Okay, this is the areolar tissue. Okay, the second one is the adipose tissue. What is the adipose tissue? Okay, well, first we are going to learn about adipose tissue. Before I am asking some questions, okay, say answers. Why do old people shiver more in winter when the youngsters? Say anyone? Is there any special arrangement to prevent the escape of heat energy during winter? Yes. The special arrangement cells are there. They are called fat storing adipose tissue. Means in the adipose tissue, the fat is storing. The fat is generated the temperature. Okay. In the old man's, the adipose tissue is damaged. Then they are shivered in winter season than the youngsters. Okay. Internal organs. The cells of this tissue are filled with fat globules. Storage of fat also acts as insulator. Okay. Which tissue gives definite shape to body of vertebra? Okay, these are the areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Okay. Next, another tissue is there. What is the bone? Okay. Which tissue give definite shape to body of vertebra? Say anyone? Yes, bone. Bone is the definite gives to human body or any animal definite shape. Okay. Bone is another type of connective tissue. It forms the framework that supports the body. It is a major component of the skeletal system of several vertebra. Okay. Do you see in the picture? This is the bone. Okay. Bone is made up of, this bone is made up of some salts. What are they? They are calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. These both salts are secreted by some special cells. What are they? They are called osteocytes. Okay, understood all of you? The osteocyte cells are secreted salts. In that salts helps in the preparation of bone. They are calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. Okay, this is the osteocytes. In the osteocytes, see in this picture, all of you observe carefully. The Haversian canal is there. Middle of the osteocyte, the tube-like structure is there. That is the Haversian canal. The Haversian canal surrounded by osteocytes. Okay. This total structure is called osteon. Okay. In the osteocytes are formed canaliculi. This is the osteocytes. Okay. This is the areolar, adipose tissue, areolar tissue and bone. Okay. Next one is the fourth one. What is the fourth one? Cartilage. Okay. See in this picture, all of you, cartilage. Cartilage is also one type of connective tissue found in the joints of bones. Okay, this present in the tip of ribs, tip of nose, external ears and in trachea also. Embryos of several vertebra do not have bone but have cartilage. Okay, the entire skeleton of fishes like sharks is made up of cartilage only. Cartilage is hard but not as hard as a bone. Hard but not hard as bone. Okay. Okay. How do bones are connected at joints? Say anyone. Okay. The one type of connective tissue are there. That is the ligament. Okay. What is that? Ligament. Ligament is yet another type of connective tissue that connects bone at the joints and holds them in position. It is made up of a large number of fibers. These fibers are made up of a protein called collagen. This is very elastic in nature. Okay, the bone attached to the another bone by the ligament, that is called ligament. In that ligament, the collagen fibers are there. They are protein substance. Okay, this is the ligament. What is the ligament? The bone attached to the another bone, that is the ligament. Okay, I will ask some question. Yes, we know bone attached to the another bone, that is help of ligament. the bone attached to the muscle. By which tissue helps there? Say anyone? Okay, one type of tissue is here. That is the tendon. Okay, tendon is a type of connective tissue which is also made up of fibers. This is also made up of fibers. The tendon joins the muscle to the bone. It is also made up of collagen. Okay, this is the connective tissue information. Understood all of you? Okay, I hope all are understood. Okay, the next third tissue. What is the third tissue? Blood. Above the blood, we will discuss about the blood in next class. Okay, thank you children.